tayong mga traffic enforcers. We're gonna we're gonna catch some no drivers that doesn't have any privilege to drive, huh? Traffic enforcers. Jack. We're doing one thing now that will make our decisions. I think it twice, but no, I think it's too late. YOLO. YOLO! 15,000 feet above, and my longest 1 minute
On the right.
all my life. This is my longest 1 minute jump. Oh, relaxing. Oh, the gear jumpsuit. Jumpsuit.
Gretchen,
Hey.
welcome to Skydive Algarve.
Oh,
Your first jump?
yes.
How are you feeling?
This will be my longest 1 minute probably, but will be my happiest.
Excellent answer. How high are we going to jump from? Do you know?
15,000 feet.
15,000 feet, 3 miles. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any messages for your friends or family?
Oh, well, looking forward. You should do it.
Let's go, nice and fun.
With you, like no one's ever lived before. I wanna live this wild life with you, like no one's ever lived before. I wanna
I'll do it every jump. I'll show you, yeah?
Okay.
You tell me if you like it. You liked it?
Oh my god, this will be unforgettable.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
Would you do this again?
Maybe? Yes? Yes?
Yeah? Thank you for jumping with Skydive Algarve.
Thank you, Billy. I'm in the pool. Wala lang. Ang masabi ko siguro for the experience, just do it. Go for it. It's a once in a lifetime experience. Skydiving. Tapos, mag-unwind ka sa pool after. Here's the pool. Nice. Nice pool. Yun lang. Bye! the strip?
4.6.
Old Town.
4.6 naman.
Alta Albufera?
Albufera.
Yun. Dito kami sa strips. This is the strip. It's a long, what do you call that? Parang walk or, ano yung tawag dun sa Barcelona? Good, yung parang street din. Hindi yung, the strip na, di ba? The strip ang tawag. Promenade. Parang ganun. Parang mataas na walk pa. Na may mga stores, left and right. Pili ka lang. Punta tayo sa church mamaya. Nandun. Na nagbibel. We'll go there. We'll attend the mass. If there is. So we're having our feast in Old Town Albufera. And it's not that busy pa ngayon. Baka mamaya. Good luck. Yan na naman ang food namin for today's vlog. Nice. Mga hindi nakapasok sa church. Kasi sarado. Baka hindi talaga siya nag-open. Pero maaliwalas dito banda. Air. So we're going somewhere out there. Woo! Uy, magpatato tayo, oh. The Unbeatable Trio. Nagpatato sa Portugal. Ah, sige, sa puwet, sa may upper lang. Sige na. Ay, nakakahingal. Ah, ito na yung beach. We're gonna beach in. Ang daming tao. Patay, ang init, guys. Dito kami sa beach, beach. Hi, eto, mabubusog tong dalawa. Ewan ko na lang. Napakasaya nila. What's that? Kuya. Yes. How was it, friendship?
Friend, grabe po. Wala tamo po, friend. Yan ang tamang istorya, friend.
Ay, pwede na ta mag-bank. Ano siya? Ano namin, recharge.
Nakag-buy nito.
Kamusta? Parang na ano kayo na-recharge. So, let's do bank na. Kampun ka. Let's do bank ka.
Uy, to.
How was it?
That's so nice. I feel so relaxed.
Oh,
Like all of the stress from the skydiving was
nga totoo ka, friend.
yes!
Ano na yun?
Nandito kami sa strip with the girls. Yung cover. Kasi naapektuhan yung... Woo! Ganda. Yeah, bright, oh, my pain with his fingers. Woo! Ito na doon, nagkaraoke sa Portugal. Rate the mango sticker rice. Na, yun na yun. Kasi sa Thailand, ewan ko, but ang sarap ng mangga dun.
matamis.
Yeah. Okay, let's try the mango. Yeah, okay lang. Plan.
Mas masarap kesa sa ano? Sa UK.
Hindi din. Para mas okay to, girl.
Kaya nga, mas masarap siya kesa dun
Sa UK.
Siya mahibla.
Putumaya. Alam mo yun? Ito. Parang ano siya namin kakanin. May putumaya sa inyo. Yung may luya. Parang ganun.
Kung may luya siyang taste,
Hindi.
ang rice.
Hindi, parang
Hindi
ganun
ba
siya.
ano lang naman to? Like coconut,
Coconut.
milk with rice?
Parang
May
ganun.
luya.
Pero, mas masarap to compared sa ano, yung nasa London.
Or din sticker red doon.
Oo, pero mas legit ni siya. Hindi bagay ang strawberry tsaka ano, sticky rice. Ang mangga.
Design lang doon.
Design lang. Tapos parang hindi din bagay na nagsangria sa sticky rice.
Napaka mali lang combination.
Parang iba.
Maling-mali.
We've arrived na. Mga party goers.
No, we didn't party.
Di ba? Hindi pala party goer. Sige. We've arrived. Oh my God, after... Kakamasahe lang. Kakamasahe lang. Nagreklamo.
Maagos kayo rin nakabat. Ay, hindi pala.
Hindi kami, wait lang, i-explain mo. Hindi kami mag-separate kasi dito ang room nila. At ito ang room ko. Sige daw. Nagpalinis sila kanina. So, let's see the room. Wow. Malinis ba? Ay, bakit malamig sa inyo? Sa akin actually, walang difference yung room nila. Ano naman ito?
Pantali.
Ay, akala ko pagkain. Wala. Yun lang. Same lang actually yung room nila sa room ko. Not bad. Sige na, girl. Bye.